Hello. So there's been a recall in the 2018 Toyota Camry because the pistons are too big. I'm gonna go over what this article talks about and what you need to know. Toyota is recalling select 2018 Camry sedans equipped with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engines because of an unusual and potentially serious engine problem. So according to the Japanese automaker, 1,730 examples of its midsize sedan may have engines that were produced with pistons that are too large. These out-of-spec parts could cause the vehicle to run rough, create an abnormal sound, emit smoke from the exhaust, and illuminate warning lights and messages. These overlarge pistons could result in a loss of power or cause the engine to stop running altogether. According to Toyota, the problematic pistons are from a particular production period, from late December 2017 through mid-January 2018. So not all models are affected, it's just a small production period. Once again, it's the four-cylinder engine and not the V6 that's being affected. And actually, this is the second recall of the 2018 Toyota Camry. It says here in February, Toyota issued a campaign notice covering nearly 12,000 V6 models for incorrectly connected fuel lines that could trigger a leak. Toyota will begin notifying customers whose cars may be affected with this issue via mail by late May, and dealers will inspect the production date codes of the pistons on these engines. If the service techs discover a match with the faulty parts, the entire engine will be replaced at no cost to the customer. It's good to know that Toyota is taking the right steps and replacing these engines. Well, whenever the customer gets the notice, those engines will be replaced. Now, this doesn't make Toyota an unreliable company. They're still a really good company that makes excellent cars. And let's also remember that the new 2018 Toyota Camry is built on a completely different and new platform. So there's bound to be issues, just like all new platforms and all new cars. Anyway, if you like my content, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll be making more videos later. Okay? Alright, I'm out.